Welcome back. I am getting ready to start a new project. It's demolition time. So, this door goes away. Trying to reach for it. This door goes away, and so that's what I'm going to start on today. And that way I can take this out tomorrow and pretty much take everything out of this room. We're going to have a shower pretty much right here. So this door will be next. So I have two doors today that I'm going to take down. And then I will demo this, take this out, and take that door out. So that door's coming out. There'll be a separate bathroom. So I love my 1980s light bar. Isn't it beautiful? So, although attention to detail. I love this. This is stuff like this just kills me. Yeah. So that's that. Although I did replace all of the thermostats to just heating thermostats because it was driving me crazy that it said air conditioning when there was no air conditioning. So I'm kind of worried because these toilets stick out from the wall like for maybe 3.5 inches. So I'm thinking they didn't put them in right. Oh yeah. So thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. I know why you come. It's just to watch me suffer. Although best is the outdoor lights. I love those things. You know, you got this ginormous hallway that has like 6 doors in it, and you have these outside gold tiny little lights going down all the way. Oh yeah. So next time, on Cheaper Than Rent, I will very likely have this door, the other door, and the third door all removed and pretty much gutted. And I'm gonna be starting on this door being closed off. So have a wonderful day, and God bless.